Absolute value of z can be expressed as the absolute value of z minus 4 upon z plus 4 upon z. Now recall that the absolute value of the sum of two numbers x and y is less than equal to the sum of the absolute values of each of those two numbers. Using this result, the above expression is less than equal to the absolute value of z minus 4 upon z plus the absolute value of 4 upon z. Now we are given that the first term on the right hand side is equal to 2. And therefore the right hand side is equal to 2 plus absolute value of 4 upon z. Therefore, absolute value of z is less than equal to 2 plus the absolute value of 4 upon z, which is equal to 2 plus 4 upon absolute value of z. Multiply both sides by absolute value of z, we get the square of absolute value of z is less than equal to 2 times absolute value of z plus 4. Move all terms to the left hand side, we get the inequality. Absolute value of z square minus 2 times absolute value of z minus 4 is less than equal to 0. Now the roots of the quadratic equation, absolute value of z square minus 2 times absolute value of z minus 4 is equal to 0, are given by 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times root 5 divided by 2. 2 cancels across the numerator and the denominator, and therefore the roots of this quadratic equation are 1 plus minus root 5. Therefore, the expression absolute value of z square minus 2 times absolute value of z minus 4 factorizes into absolute value of z minus in brackets 1 plus root 5 multiplied by absolute value of z minus in brackets 1 minus root 5. Therefore, the inequality obtained above, absolute value of z square minus 2 times absolute value of z minus 4 is less than equal to 0, can be written as the absolute value of z minus 1 plus root 5 multiplied by absolute value of z minus 1 minus root 5 is less than equal to 0. And this implies that absolute value of z lies between 1 minus root 5 and 1 plus root 5. And it therefore follows that the maximum value of absolute value of z is 1 plus root 5, which is the required answer.